Scout Guide Clubs, go!
community where the ancient tradition of Karma Puja unfolds. Karma Puja is a time of communal joy marked by traditional rituals. आपको मत भूलिए, where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where the knowledge is free, where the world has not broken up into fragments.
सत श्री अकाल। और इस प्रकार आगे पंजाब की ओर, पंजाब जो भारतीयों के आन बान और शान माना जाता है, उसमें हमारे पंजाबियों के 5 तक पूरे भारत में है, जिसमें से 3 तक हमारे
घी पिलाने में दूल्हा दुल्हन को घी पिलाया जाता है, जो स्वास्थ्य, शक्ति और समृद्धि का प्रतीक है। इस रस्म के माध्यम से
of courage, culture and change. Get ready, Western Railway.
मध्य रेल के विजन शो की
प्रसिद्ध आरती बिहार की
स्काउट गाइड क्लैप्स गो।
अब आशीर्वाद देने आई है माँ नर्मदा, मक्र वाहिनी। माँ नर्मदा का वाक्य के अनुसार किसी भी शुभ कार्य की शुरुआत के पूर्व प्रथम पूज्य श्री गणेश जी का पूजन अर्चन किया जाता है। श्री गणेश शुभता प्रतीक, विघ्न विनाशक।
नागपुर की विशेषता है, यह शहर भारत का एक ऐसा ऐतिहासिक और भौगोलिक केंद्र बिंदु है, स्थापित है, जिसे भारत का 0 माइल के नाम से जाना जाता है। हमारा देश संविधान से चलाया जाता है और
Central Railway, rooted in ancient dynasties, forest traditions and warrior spirit, Madhya Pradesh reflects the heart of India. West Central Railway forward a legacy of strength and soulful heritage. Get ready, Southeast Central Railway.
घर से अलग कर दिया था। देशत कोई नुमाइंदा और নহয়, देश से बड़ा मामा नहीं है।
Protector of thieves from crowd and enemies. Families from harm. He blesses this gathering with vigilant grace and honor.
Divine blessings and Pongal
dance B, folk dance A+, pageant show B+, campfire A, exhibition B, gate making scout wing B, gate making guide wing B+, camping standard scout wing and guide wing B, unit venture scout guide rover section B and ranger section B+. South Eastern Railway, contingent leader scout and guide, please come on the dais to receive the Venetian memento.
इस अनोखे सफर में हमने देखा कि बंगाल का हर त्योहार एक अलग ही जगह है, जहाँ रंगों में मेल, संस्कृति का संवाद और प्रेम का आभास होता है।
I would like to request our honorable chief guest to please come in front of the dais and inaugurate the grand campfire. Jamburet Utjav. Now our honorable chief guest Shri Vishal Kapoor sir and our guest of honor Mrs. Preeti Kapoor ma'am is going to inaugurate the grand campfire of the 21st All Indian Railway Jamboree. Scout guide, let's go!
I declare the campfire open.
प्रेम का दूजा नाम बनी रहा था, पर भाग्य को भी उससे मुंह मोड़ना पड़ा। कंस से मथुरा को मुक्त करने कृष्ण को अपनी राधा को छोड़ना पड़ा। कृष्ण के मुख में सृष्टि समाई, उन्होंने अपने जीवन में और कई सारी भूमिकाएं निभाई। सखा सुदामा के कृष्ण, पंचाली के भाई, अर्जुन के साथी भी कृष्ण, राधा के प्रेम की परछाई।
जो है अलबेला मदनैनो वाला। So competition is North Eastern Railway. I invite Shubham Paswan, Sandeep Kumar, Mahesh, Harshit Raj and Muskan Sharma, leader scout and guide of East Central Railway, Shri Prajwal Bhattacharya and Srimati Seema Kumari to receive the prizes from our today's guest of honor. Southern Railway, please come on the dais and receive the winner's trophy for the quiz competition. Scout guide, let's go! And the moment has already arrived to declare first, second and third of the 21st All Indian Railway Jamboree. Quiz competition, first runners up, South Eastern Railway. Contingent leader, scout and guide, South Eastern Railway to please come on the dais and receive the prize for the quiz competition. And the winner of the quiz competition is Southern Railway.
Scouts and Guides movement, the discipline, cooperation and service. I would like to specifically mention some important initiatives taken during this Jamboree. The AI and robotics booth, announced for the first time in All India Railway Jamboree, helped participants understand emerging technologies. The BSF exhibition gave valuable
all the office bearers of the Bharat Scouts and Guides from eastern and across the country, dedicated Scout and Guide leaders, and my dear Scouts, Guides, Rovers and Rangers. It gives me immense pleasure and a deep sense of pride to address this gathering on the valedictory occasion.
I once again request our State Commissioner Scout to present token of love to Honorable AGM Sir, Eastern Railway. Scout Guide claps go!
Commissioner. Without her, this would definitely was not possible. From the time we started, it was her idea. Whenever Eastern Railway came with runners up and Sanjeev and company would say कि host ही winner होता है. So we said, so why don't we become the host? But Eastern Railway, sir, has deserved it. We have earned this trophy. It is not by host that we hosted this trophy to us. I always tend to take liberty with ma'am. I would barge in and
I am very happy to see the enthusiasm which our young kids are showing. It's a cold evening, but still they are weathering the weather. I am very happy to
और लगने भूल जाएगा तो भूल